Along with the announcement of the new Find X9 Ultra phone, Oppo introduced a new, improved log format for video. In this episode, I'll show you how to import the new format into Davinci Resolve to allow professional level color grading. I'm Reese, and you're watching the Izoard Photo video channel. Oppo's new log format, called Oppo Log 2, promises greater dynamic range and wider colour gamut than the original Oppo Log. As with the original log format, footage needs to be graded. The characteristics of Oppo Log 2 mean that it should be possible to apply even more creative techniques to your videos. Oppo has provided new tools for importing Oppo Log 2 footage into Davinci Resolve. As before, these are based around a DCTL for use with the ACES workflow. This is suitable for serious professional use, but for content creators or hobbyists there are better alternatives. If you're completely new to color grading Oppo's log formats, I covered the entire process in a video based around their original log format. The link is on screen now. It's also in the description. In this episode, I'll cover the changes needed to the workflow to use the new format. I'll also show you a new lookup table that I've created to allow grading Oppo Log 2 footage with the free version of Davinci Resolve. The LUT is a free download. The tools that Oppo provides for processing Oppo Log 2 footage are available alongside those for the original Oppo Log. They've added a new section to their technical downloads page. I've included a link in the description. There are two download packages. One contains a set of lookup tables, LUTs, and the other is material related to the professional ACES workflow. Here's what the packages look like once downloaded and unzipped. The LUT package contains transformations from Oppo Log 2 to various other colour spaces such as Rec. 709. We're not going to use any of these LUTs for our grading workflow. Instead, we're going to use the Davinci Resolve DCTL file from the ACES package. I'll show you how to use this file, which works in the paid version of Resolve. This is also the file from which I created the free LUT you can download and use with the free version of Davinci Resolve. Let's see how all this works. I've set up a project to illustrate how to import Oppo Log 2 footage into Davinci Resolve for grading. It has two timelines, one illustrating the DCTL that Oppo provides, and the other my new free LUT. Let's start by getting these files into Davinci Resolve. They need to be in the LUT folder that Resolve uses when accessing LUTs and related files. You can find the actual location by opening up your project settings using the gear icon, selecting the color management entry, and scrolling down until you see the Open LUT Folder button. This opens the folder in the file manager for your system. I'm on a Mac, so this is Finder. You can place LUT files and DCTLs anywhere in this folder, including subfolders. I've created a folder called Oppo to keep my Oppo-related files together. In here are all the files I've downloaded from Oppo. Also in here are the LUTs I've created for transforming Oppo Log and Oppo Log 2 for grading. I'd recommend doing something similar, so it's easy to find the files. All you need to do to make the tools available to Davinci Resolve is to download the files and then copy them into this folder. Once you've copied the files, restart Resolve. It checks the LUT folder tree during startup and will find the new files. As we've already seen, you get the Oppo files from their technical downloads page. You can get my free LUTs from links in the description to this video. You don't need to sign up to anything, just download and use them. Okay, so now we have the files, let's see how to use them. Here we're in the timeline that illustrates the use of the Oppo DCTL file. I've called the timeline olog2 DCTL. I've disabled the transformations for the time being. As usual, I've set up a clip group in Resolve. This way, the input transformation only has to be defined once, regardless of how many clips it's applied to. In the group pre-clip section, I've set up two nodes. The first holds the Oppo Log2 DCTL. The Effects tab shows us that the DCTL is named Olog2 to ACES AP0 version 1. This is the name of the file that Oppo provides and which we copied into Resolve's LUT folder. I just selected it from the drop-down list which shows all of the DCTLs currently available to my copy of Resolve. The DCTL converts Oppo Log 2 ready for use in an ACES workflow. This is a highly standardized workflow typically used for large-scale commercial work, such as feature films and major TV series, where many different organizations may be involved. Instead, we want to use a simpler though still powerful workflow based on Davinci Resolve's internal mechanisms. These are used for commercial work, but are also more suitable for content creators and amateur filmmakers. That's where the second node comes in. It's a color space transform. It converts from ACES AP0 with linear gamma, which is what the DCTL creates, into Davinci wide gamut, Davinci intermediate, which is the color space in which we want to grade. Again, if this is all completely new to you, check out the video on capturing and grading log footage with the Find X9 Pro, linked in the description. The principles are exactly the same for the X9 Ultra, only the input transformation changes. In the timeline section of the grade, there is a single node to convert graded footage back to Rec 709 Gamma 2.4, ready for output to YouTube and similar services. OK, let's turn on all the nodes. Immediately, the footage is transformed from the typical low saturation muted colours of log footage into the well-saturated contrasty look more associated with the final result. This is now a great starting point for further colour grading. This footage looks a bit underexposed to me. Let's apply a simple grade to it in the clip section. Let's increase the exposure to about there. Let's also increase the saturation a little. There. That's enough for us to be able to compare the results of the two import mechanisms. So the new DCTL file for Oppo Log 2 clearly works and allows us to get footage transformed into Davinci Intermediate, Davinci Wide Gamut for grading. But what if we're using the free version of Resolve, which does not support the use of DCTLs? Well, for that, I've created a new lookup table which performs essentially the same transformation, but which will work in the free version of Resolve. Let's take a look. In this timeline, which I've called Olog2 LUT, the group pre-clip area contains just a single node. This applies my free Olog2 to DWV1 lookup table. It essentially does the same job as the two nodes in the other timeline. If I switch back to the DCTL version and turn off the clip grade, we can see the results look essentially identical, whether using the LUT or the DCTL. Here's the DCTL, and here's the LUT. If you look very closely at the scopes, there are some tiny changes, for example, in the red histogram around 50% brightness. This is because the LUT provides an approximation to the calculation performed by the DCTL. In reality, the differences are imperceptible. Let's just see what happens if I copy the clip grade from the DCTL version into the LUT version. In the DCTL version, I can enable the clip node and press Command-C. That's Control-C on Windows, by the way. Switching to the LUT timeline clip section, I can select the node and press Command-V to copy the grade. Now let's compare the graded clips by switching between the timelines. LUT, DCTL, and back to LUT, essentially identical. So there we have it. Just as with the original Oppo Log format, we can use the same approach for importing footage in Oppo Log 2 format into Davinci Resolve. We've looked at the workflow and seen the nodes required to import footage using the Oppo DCTL, as well as those when using my free lookup table. Once imported, the rest of the grading process is identical to that with the original Oppo Log format. Links to videos covering that in more detail are on screen now. There is one disclaimer. The Oppo Find X9 Ultra is not yet available in the UK. Also, I haven't found any downloadable footage to try, so I don't have any footage that's actually in the new format. If you have any footage you'd like me to try, or you know where I can find some, just let me know. The examples in the episode are from my Oppo Find X9 Pro, which uses the original Oppo Log format. The process works because the two formats are similar and use fundamentally the same colour space. Importantly, the lookup table approach produces essentially the same results as the DCTL, meaning that it's possible to use the free version of Resolve to grade Oppo Log 2 footage from the Oppo Find X9 Ultra. If you do use these methods with Oppo Log 2 footage, I'd be really interested on how you get on. Let me know in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you get notified when new episodes are published. See you next time.